sleeping in the 17B.
Or not sleeping.
I slept okay. Michael did not.
There was bears all over the campsite.
The mattress is really firm. Like I said, I slept fine. I think I may have tossed and turned a lot though, because I am tired today. But Michael was up all night long. So we ran into town, which is a very small town, and went to every possible store to find a mattress topper to get us through the weekend. And the ones at Bed Bath & Beyond were hundreds and hundreds of dollars.
Tempur-Pedic. So if you're looking for high-end insanity in a mattress topper, you can go up to, I think we saw one at $399. You can go up to $400 on a 3-inch mattress topper.
And we just thought for camping that was kind of silly. So we went to Walmart and they had a great one, but of course they were out of stock, and it was a marbled cooling 3-inch foam for $80. So highly recommend trying that if you have it. But we ended up at Target. They had one left. This is a 3-inch Casa Luna Serene mattress topper.
I do hope it's serene.
So we're going to let you laugh and watch as we set it up. So.
The box is open. There's instructions for the mattress topper.
Here's how it looks inside.
This is the cover for the mattress topper.
Oh my lord, this is so heavy.
More instructions for the mattress topper. More instructions came with this than came with the 17B.
Probably. So it's in plastic and more plastic. Oh, it's saran wrapped. It's even better.
This will come in handy later. Wrap up them bears.
It's soft. Okay, so it smells a little chemically, which was in the reviews. So.
Smells like my grandpa's feet.
What? That's disgusting. This goes down there, I think. Okay, do you want that on your feet?
Yeah, I don't want it underneath me.
Well, you flip it over. Oh. Okay, so I'm going to write a recommendation. Oh, okay, we're going to do it. I was going to recommend getting on it. Like this.
Those got stains on it. For the record, stains came free of charge.
There's still a gap. Do you want a gap?
Yeah, gaps. We don't like gaps.
You push while I pull. Just a tiny bit. I don't want to get up too far and then go back. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
This feels good. Do we put the cover on it or can we just put a sheet on it?
It's a little angled. That's good.
Actually, it's fine.
Yeah.
Alright, so we have a queen short mattress. And this actually fit almost perfect. I think there's probably about 3 inches on the end, but once we put the fitted sheet on, and luckily the 17B we have a little bit of cabinetry on the ends. I don't think it's going to be a problem.
You could actually probably cut that 3 inches off. It does look like the foam would be fine with that. It also goes in a cover, which we didn't put it in, which we will put it in now. We won't show you that, but we will put it in there. You probably could cut that off, maybe use it for the kids. It's about this big, should be enough. Just put it back there in the kids' bunk.
Tell them that you did.
Yeah, let them lay on it.
Alright.
All right, thanks folks.
We'll let you know tomorrow how it works.